Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to order foreign currency on TD Canada. To start, open the website td.com. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for banking. Click on your TD checking account. At the middle part of this page, you will see an option for Manage. Click on Manage. Under Manage, you will see an option for Order Foreign Currency. Click on Order Foreign Currency. First, select a currency. Click on the drop-down arrow to show the list of currencies. Then click on the currency you would like to order. Next, enter the amount you wish to buy. Then click on Calculate Conversion to view the amount in Canadian dollars. After that, select an account from which the purchase will be credited. Also, enter the bank's branch number wherein the foreign currency will be delivered. Once you're finished entering all the required information, click on Next. Lastly, review the order details. If everything's good, click on Finish. That's how you order foreign currency on TD Canada. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.